Welcome to online classes. Now, further, I will tell you the story, a reference from your Unit 1, Section 2, an armchair tour of some of the India's most haunted place, non-fiction story. That is now northern region, that is in Delhi. Now, talking about horror place in Delhi, this refreshingly green northern ridge, also called the Kamala Nehru Ridge, in a real scary place. Sure, you will see a lot of people hanging around in daytime. However, come night and this straighten in a scene of absolute isolation, only visited by some brave people who mark themselves ghost busters in the after dark hours. The northern ridge turns all the more darker and scary owing to the fact that some of its corner have no phone network. Means in the corner place of this northern ridge there shall not be available any network, there will be a phone. Visit it if you want to taste the stories that have everything from spirit chasing people and horrible ill coming out of nowhere to strange and sudden appearance of covered with blood spirits of British soldiers who died in India. Now, Mahal of Bholi Bhatiyari, venture inside the entrance to this old and ruined hunting lodge and you will know that what scary means. One of the haunted place in Delhi, it lies an miserable disorder, although the keepers that cover most of this might ever make it look appealing somewhat. This 14th century structure does not see much crowd and might come across as awful even in broad daylight. Mahal of Bholi Bhatiyari is reported to be haunted, a rumor which is supported by people who had confessed the hearing of strange sound, including cries of men. Policemen are usually posted at its entrance to keep the people from entering the complex after the sunset. And now, Bauli of Agra Sen. It is also in Delhi. It is a mind-blowing, amazing piece of architecture. A well in which the water can be reached by descending of set of steps with 103 steps in the center of the Delhi. A step well. Step well means, already I told, a well in which the water can be reached by descending a set of steps. A step well of this proportion with a brilliant architecture is a wonder in itself, and so are the many tales that have caught the fancy of many. Legends say that the black water of the well betrays people and leads them drawing themselves. As per the legends, the lure strengthens as you go further down the stairs with nothing but the echo of your own footsteps following you. This one arranged quite high in the list of desired person of people looking for some thrill. This one is definitely one of the India's most haunted place. Now I'll refer Delhi cantonment. It is a most, if you are fond of chasing movie like Ghosts, one of the more reputable haunted place in Delhi. This is a vacated place that gets all the more evacuate in the dark. As per the stories, a woman dressed in white of 10 beats motorized for a lift on the stretch. She then chases the ones who do not give her a lift, running at a speed that equals or is then their vehicles. As for those who compel and give her a lift, they are never seen again. What's up? The chill factor of the story in the fact that their sightings are reported quite frequently. Locals believe that the spirit of a woman, lit chicker means here as a customer who died waiting for help. Now we'll go for Prithviraj Cemetery. It in Lutyens, Delhi, where is ghost research of and investigators of paranormal team GRIP, ghost research and investigators of paranormal team has confronted, means encountered, the ghost of a woman dressed in white. We have succeeded in communicating with several ghosts, including those of children, using an EMP recorder. EMP, E capital, M capital, P capital. It means electromagnetic pulse. E for electro, M for magnetic, P for pulse. So EMP means electromagnetic pulse. Using an EMP recorder, we learned the name of one spirit, that her name was Mary, M-A-R-Y, Mary. I saw something quite flashlight in front of my eyes, and in one of the photographs that we took, you can clearly see a female torso hanging from the tree. Torso means the trunk of a human body. Trunk means from chest downwards or from waist to downwards, body hanging in the tree. That is the end of this, whatever already told. That is reference from book. In the next session, I will explain from the book itself whatever the Bhangar fort story.